Good morning, 7th grade. Today you guys are going to do a lab on levers. So you are going to be using a first class lever, and the way that we know it's a first class lever is that the fulcrum is in the middle. So if we take a look at the actual lever that we're going to use, all right, this is going to be the fulcrum. And just from the layout of your lab, this is going to be your input arm, all right, or where you're going to put your input force. And then the right hand side is going to be the output arm, or where you're going to put your output force, okay? And the lab tells you exactly what you're going to put on the input arm side, and then you have to figure out what you're going to put on the output arm to balance it. And I wanted to show you what balance looks like, because it doesn't always look perfectly straight like it should, all right? It looks a little cockeyed, or it's just a little crooked, but what it does not look like is this, okay? If you have it like this, that means that it's not balanced. So for your first trial, you are going to hang one weight at the 30 centimeter mark. And what you're going to try and do is find 3 different ways to balance the output arm, all right? And you're going to do that by using the string, and you can either put the string through one weight, all right, but you only have 6 strings. So if you need to, you can tie 2 weights to 1 string, okay? So that's what you're going to do for the first trial. For the second trial, or the second data table, however you want to look at it, okay, you're going to be hanging 2 weights at the 20 centimeter mark. And then once again, you're going to try and find 3 ways to balance the output arm, all right? But if you take a look at the paper, it specifically says no mirror images. So what that means is if I have 2 here, I cannot put 2 here, because that would be a mirror image. All right, and hopefully as you go along, you'll see that there is a pattern to making it work. So hopefully you'll pick up on that. All right, and then at the bottom for the last one, you get to make up your own, okay? But you can't do anything that you've previously done. So you shouldn't have anything that looks similar to what you did in this data table or the one on the front. Okay, so you want 2 totally different combinations. And the only other thing I want to point out here is that it says no mirror images. Okay, so same thing. You can't have the exact same thing on each side. All right, then you have some follow-up questions that you're going to answer. All right, remember 7th grade expectations. So you should be repeating the question in your answer, and you should be writing in complete sentences. All right, you can use your textbook if you need help. You can use any notes that you've been taking in class to help you, whatever you need. And if you're really stumped, you can come see me, Mrs. Spizak, all right, at Hawk Time or another time, and I will help you out. Okay, so have fun today. I will tell you that the lab is loud, so just is the way it works, because if it doesn't balance, then the weights will come clanging onto the table. So just do the best you can, have fun, and help each other out.